Hello, in this video, we will present 3 case studies. The first is a case study on finding the greatest common divisor. The greatest common divisor, short for GCD, of 2 integers is the largest divisor that divides 2 integers. For example, the GCD of 4 and 2 is 2. The GCD of 16 and 24 is 8. How do you write a program to find the GCD? Assume we have these 2 integers, n1 and n2. To find the GCD, you will test if integer 2 is a common divisor for n1 and n2. 3, 4, and so on. And this is how you're going to find it until you reach n1 or n2. Whenever a new common divisor is found, it becomes a new GCD. So this is the process we go. So we can describe it and using this algorithm. We're going to use K, begins with 2. We're going to test if K is a divisor for both N1 and N2. If so, we're going to assign K to GCD. Initially, GCD is 1. So now we're going to keep updating GCD whenever we discover a new common divisor. Eventually, after this while loop is finished, we have the correct GCD. So this is the algorithm. It's going to work. And so we're going to use this variable GCD to store the GCD. And GCD is assuming this is 1 to begin with. And now we're going to look for the divisors K starting from 2. If this 2 is a divisor, and then look for 3, 4, and 5. Whenever we have a divisor, we can update GCD. So all the way to the end. And once we reach to N1 or N2. So we're going to implement this program and write the code as follows. Prompt the user for the input N1 and N2. And so this is GCD is 1 and K is 2. So right here, it's N1, remainder K is equal to 0. And N2, remainder K is equal to 0. If this is true, no, I'm going to look at this. If K is less than or equal to N1 and K is less than or equal to N2. So if that's true, and we're going to test if K is a divisor for both N1 and N2. If so, we're going to update GCD and now look for the next K. So this is the process. So that is all for finding the greatest common divisor. Now, there are many different ways to do it. This algorithm is not the most efficient. In chapter 22, we introduced the most efficient algorithm. It's called the Euclid's algorithm. So for now, and this is all for this case study, there are many different solutions you need to explore and all the possible ways to do it and find the most efficient solution. So we will do that in the future when we get to chapter 22. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.